Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Welcome dito sa News Up to Date. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw na to, itong advisory na nilabas ng SEC laban sa Royal O Consultancy Services o PC at Royal O International Import and Export o PC na pagmamayari ni Princess Joanna Jo Alpahid Campos. So ito, basahin natin yung nakapaloob sa SEC advisory. Based on the information gathered by the Commission, the investment solicitation activities being perpetrated by Princess Joanna Jo Alpahid Campos is still continuing by offering to its members and prospective members to invest by depositing such investments in the newly registered one-person corporations, namely Royal O Consultancy Services OPC and Royal O International Import and Export OPC. The Commission has earlier issued an advisory against Royal O Financial Consultancy Services and Oro Magnet International E-Games o PC. Opo, ayan nga po, nakita natin na yung SEC niya, 'di ba, naglabas nga ng advisory laban nga doon sa Royal O Financial Consultancy Services at Oro Magnet International E-Games o PC. Pero matigas po ang ulo ni Princess Joanna Jo Alpahid Campos at patuloy pa rin siya sa panghingi ng investment. 'Di ba? May pinalabas pa siya, nagpadala daw ng sulat sa SEC at may sumugod pa raw na mga abogado niya, 'di ba? Pero wala naman sila mapakitang patunay tungkol doon. So ito pa nga, while Royal O Consultancy Services OPC and Royal O International Import and Export OPC were registered with this commission as one person corporations, however, their respective purpose specifically states that provided that the corporation shall not solicit, accept, or take investments, placements from the public, neither shall it issue investment contract. Further, to give emphasis to the aforementioned prohibition, hereunder is the portion of the issued certificate of incorporation in favor of the two entities. Ayan. Ito, basahin natin yung ayan o, napakalaki in bold letters. So, ayan o. This certificate does not authorize investment solicitation and investment taking without a secondary license from this commission. So, yun nga, bawal po yung ginagawang panghihingi ng investment ng Royal O Consultancy Services OPC and Royal O International Import and Export OPC. So, yan nga, notwithstanding the registration with this commission as one-person corporations, Royal O Consultancy Services OPC and Royal O International Import and Export OPC has not secured a secondary license or permit to offer and sell securities and is not authorized to solicit, accept, or take investments, placements from the public, nor to issue investment contracts and other forms of securities under Section 3 of the Securities Regulation Code as prescribed under Section 8 of the SRC. Hence, those who act as salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents or claim to act as such for the offering or of investment scheme to the public of Royal O Consultancy Services OPC and Royal O International Import and Export OPC, including solicitations and recruitment through the internet, may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC and penalized with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both, pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Also, those who invite or recruit others to join or invest in such venture or offer investment contracts or securities to the public may incur criminally liable or otherwise be sanctioned or penalized accordingly as held by the Supreme Court in the case of Securities and Exchange Commission versus Odin Santos, GR number 195542, 19th of March 2014. The public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by an individual or group of persons allegedly for or on behalf of Royal O Consultancy Services OPC and Royal O International Import and Export OPC, to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments for and on behalf of them. Should you have any information regarding the operation of the subject entity, please call the Enforcement and Investor Protection Department at telephone number 02-8818-600 6047 or send your report to the EIPD at epd@sec.gov.ph. Yan nga, ito ay nilabas noong February 23, 2021. So makikita nyo, yun yung grupo ni Alpahid, no? Alpahid Campus, ni Princess Joanna Alpahid Campus. Patuloy pa rin sa paghihingi ng investment sa publiko. Ayan nga. At nakita nyo naman, di ba? 2 beses na naglabas na advisory ang SEC. So talaga illegal ho ang ginagawa niyang investment solicitation at talaga masasabi nating scam dahil matigas sa ulo niya dahil naglabas din siya dati, di ba? Na yung cooperative na raw sila pero yung pala na nalaman na hindi pa pala registered ito sa Cooperative Development Authority kasi nga naglabas ang CDA ng isang notice to the public nagsasabi na yung kanilang kooperatiba ay hindi pa rehistrado. So muli po, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood. God bless po.